everybody, today I'm going to be doing OPOS North Indian one-shot thali. You can guess that it's a one-shot thali by all of these things around me. So yeah, let's get started. In our 2-liter magic pot, we'll be adding 1/4 cup water. And then 2 teaspoons oil. Yeah, this is a 1/2 tablespoon measure, so they're the same thing. Yeah, so that's layer 1. Layer 2 is 1 cup chopped potatoes. Okay, yeah. Now we're going to be adding the separators.
Hold on.
There. So in zone 1, we are going to be making aloo gobi. We've marinated some chopped cauliflower with spices. Yeah, let's flatten it so it doesn't poke out. Yes. So that's all we'll be adding for zone 1. And then in zone 2, we're adding some carrots and beans. I'm being very careful to not spill into the other zones. Yeah, you need to do that. Yeah. And then we're also going to be adding some PIP, the PIP with some more veggies and the spices. Yes. And yeah, that's for zone 1. We're going to be making the pav bhaji over there. So in zone 3, we're going to be adding some carrots, beans and dates. There. And now we're going to be adding the spice paste. There's more. There. And then we're going to be adding in PIP some pineapples, carrots, and yeah. And we're going to close, cook on high for 3 whistles or 5 minutes. That. So let me go over the recipes once. So yeah, OPOS North Indian one-shot thali. In a 2-liter magic pot, layer is below. Layer 1, 1/4 cup water and 2 teaspoons oil. Layer 2, 1 cup chopped potatoes, and place the separators dividing the base into 3 zones. Zone 1 is aloo gobi. And layer 3, we're going to be adding 1/2 cup cauliflower, big florets marinated with 1 tablespoon caramelized onions, 1/4 teaspoon each salt, chili powder, garam masala, kasuri methi, and ginger garlic paste. And we're also 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder. Zone 3 is pav. Yeah, zone 2 is pav bhaji, and in layer 3 we're going to be adding 3 tablespoons each chopped carrots and beans. Layer 4 in PIP, is 1 tablespoon each peas, cauliflower, and chopped into small florets, and 1 teaspoon grated beetroot and mixed with quarter teaspoon each salt, chili powder, and pav bhaji masala. Zone 3 is the kurma. And in layer 3, we're going to add 1 tablespoon each chopped carrots, beans, and dates. And layer 4 is PIP, 1 tablespoon each chopped pineapples, peas, and capsicum. Layer 5 is the spice paste, 1 tablespoon nut powder, half teaspoon salt, and half tablespoon caramelized onions, 1 small green chili, and quarter teaspoon garam masala, and 1/8 teaspoon ghee. As you can see in the recipe, we switched layer 5 and layer 4. Yeah. Cook on high for 3 whistles or 5 minutes. Release pressure. Separate veggie dishes. Zone 1. Mix well. Serve as a dry curry. Zone 2. Mash well. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoon water if needed, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice, cilantro, and butter to make a semi-gravy. Zone 3 is mix 2 tablespoon cream and milk, which is half and half. Serve as a gravy. So you can serve these things with rotis, pulao, salad, and juice. For if you want to make a full meal, for dessert you can also be adding veggies. Sorry, fruits. Yeah. So the reason why we switched layer 4 and layer 5 at the last minute is because then it would be hard to put the spice paste around the PIP, so we just added the PIP on top of it. So 3 minutes have passed so far, and then we need to wait for 5 minutes. No whistles have come yet, as you can see. So so my tutor, RK sir, made a Thali book. So in that Thali book, my mom was making one-shot thalis. So I thought, hey, why don't I make one-shot thali too? So I decided to make the North Indian one-shot thali. No whistles have come yet. Four minutes. Yeah, I think the first whistle is going to come now. Okay. The whistles better come fast. I've always wanted to do that. Okay. So we're just going to let it go until it gets 3 whistles. Yeah, it'll take about few more seconds ish. So yeah, third whistle's going to come anytime. We're going to release pressure. looks really yummy. Yeah, so we're going to separate all of these. Firstly, aloo gobi. Yeah, so you don't have to add any more things to this recipe. You're supposed to serve this as a dry curry. Yeah, that's the first one. That's the PIP. Okay. Comparing the cauliflower from the aloo gobi and the pav bhaji, they look completely different.
Why?
Because we added one in PIP.
Right.
And blocking the...
And this has...
minimizing the heat.
Yeah.
Ooh. To this, we are going to be adding like 1 to 2 tablespoons of water is optional, but we're not going to be adding it.
Yeah, wait.
What?
We will add.
We will.
Depends on...
Yeah, depends on
the
how
texture that we want.
Let's remove the PIP.
No, remove these first.
Just separate this. Okay, it's staying in the same place. To that, we are going to be adding some cilantro, butter, and...
No. What is this?
Yeah, this is the Navarathan kurma.
Yeah, why would you add cilantro and butter to Navarathan kurma?
Sorry. Wrong recipe. We are going to be adding all of them to this.
Put these things back.
What?
Put these things back.
These?
Yeah, you have your favorite job to do.
Oh, right. Yes. Okay, let's put that over there.
Go ahead. Wait, let me add some water. Yeah, no mash. Okay. Some more in that corner.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So we'll So what is this?
That is yes, this is the pav bhaji.
The
Pav
pav
bhaji.
bhaji. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is the second dish that's ready.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the first dish that's already ready. And now to this, what should we be adding?
The half and half.
How much?
That is
2 tablespoons.
yes, 2 tablespoons. You can also add raisins to this and take out the dates.
No, you can still add dates and raisins.
Yes.
And you can also add some ghee roasted cashews.
Yeah.
We'll be adding a little bit of water to this now.
Wait, what?
A tablespoon of water. Okay. So what are the 3 dishes you have made today, Hari?
Aloo gobi, pav bhaji, and navaratran
So
kurma.
to pav bhaji, what should we be doing?
We're going to be adding the butter, cilantro, and lime.
Okay, add some lemon juice, put some cilantro and some butter. Now, don't you want to plate it like a thali?
Yes.
Yes. That's the most nicest part, right?
Yes.
Let me move those things from there.
Yeah.
Let's move. We'll add it here.
Yes. We've already put
Yeah. you
the
need to put-
pulao, the raita, the chapatis, the fruits, and the juice. We'll be adding that over there.
Here.
Yes.
Okay. Chef gives me some plating ideas too. We'll add some butter to that. Okay. One dish done.
And we're going to be adding this over here.
Okay. Let me add some orangey stuff as well. Okay.
And we're going to be adding the aloo gobi over here.
So what are the other stuff?
The other stuff is the pulao, raita, chapati, juice, and fruits.
Yeah. So this is from the root-based sharbat that's shared in the template. Sir has already posted. So this is also OPOS. This is again Szechuan tawa pulao. Okay. And of course fruits and raita.
Raita. Yes. And chapatis.
Yeah. So Hari is one step closer to become an OPOS star.
Yeah.
Yeah. He has presented a thali by himself. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Toodaloos.
Toodaloos. Ta-da.